And in with the bowl. Get this on camera, Jody. We're gonna show the features here. We got the we got this right here. Joy, I almost called you Heather. Look at this. 2 memory cards. Nice and wrapping everything. Huh? For full game functions and features, kill it. Here we got Bruce Lee. Here comes the button love. It's heavy. Look at this. Oh, look at the top. It glows green. What we have here? 4 controller slots, the power button, or something like that, the open button. DVD slot. Oh, there's 2 slots or what? There is.
I don't know.
We got a fan. We got a built-in fan back here. What do we got in the bottom? A couple stickers.
Maybe.
What you got there? What you got here, Jode?
Xbox controller.
The Xbox system.
In goes Halo.
In goes
And out goes Operation Halo.